Hello everyone. Magento's URLs are constructed using a model view controller MVC pattern comprising three key components: front name, controller name, and action name. These elements are instrumental in routing requests within Magento's structured framework. To grasp this concept, let's delve into creating a unique combination of these components. Let's see this example. Creating a new account in Magento. This route consists of first front name customer, controller name account, and action name create. Initiating a route. Front name marks the beginning of a request linking to designated module. Route declarations are XML based and necessitate specifying the route's context. Magento segregates its operational areas into front end and admin HTML, with front end managing the user facing segment and admin HTML overseeing administrative functionalities. For handling front-end requests, a front-end folder is established inside the etc directory. We will create new directory here, name front-end, and then we will create new file named routes.xml, and I will use predefined template for routes. First, the route here is a standard, and the route ID I will name it kickstart, and front name is kickstart. This is the two key attributes. Both are assigned the value to capture requests directed at /kickstart. Now we have finished our lesson. If you have any question, write a comment below. We will continue in the next lesson for creating our controller name to handle the request. Support me by like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.